In this video, I'm going to show you how to sort customers on Whop quickly and cleanly, so you can find the exact users you need without wasting time scrolling through a messy list. Whether you want to sort by status, location, spend, or date joined, Whop gives you flexible tools to organize your customer table in just a few clicks. This is especially helpful if you manage a growing business, handle memberships, or need to review customer activity for reporting. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Let's jump in. First, log into your Whop account and go to whop.com/sell. Once you're inside your account, make sure you're in your business workspace. You can confirm this by clicking Dashboard on the left-hand menu if needed. From there, look to the left navigation sidebar and click Users. This is where Whop stores your customer table and all the sorting and filtering tools you'll need. Once the Users page loads, you'll see a table of your customer data. At the top of the grid, Whop gives you sorting and filtering headers that let you narrow things down very precisely. If you want to focus on customer status, you can filter by members who have joined, left, paused, churned, or are currently renewing. This is great when you want to separate active customers from inactive ones in seconds. If you need to organize by location, you can use the demographics filters that lets you sort and group customers by country, state, or city. This can be really useful if you're analyzing where your audience is coming from, or if you want to segment users for support, marketing, or regional reporting. You can also sort by spend and value. This makes it easy to identify your highest value customers by total spend. On top of that, Whop can help you quickly find high-risk accounts, including users who have filed disputes or left reviews. If you're trying to protect your business or review customer behavior, this feature saves a lot of time. Another important filter is date. You can use this to sort users based on when they originally joined your ecosystem or when they last accessed your digital product. That means you can identify new customers, long-term members, or users who haven't been active recently. Now let's talk about sorting the table itself. If you want to organize your customers chronologically, look at the top left section of the table headers and click Date Joined. A menu will appear where you can choose a specific date boundary or switch the order from newest to oldest or oldest to newest. This is one of the easiest ways to review your user list in a more logical order. If you want to customize what data you see, Whop also lets you add or remove table columns. Look for the Edit Columns button or the gear icon on the top right side of the table. Click it, and you'll see a sidebar or drop-down with a checklist of customer parameters. From here, check the metrics you want to display as columns and uncheck anything you don't need. This helps clean up your workspace and makes the table much easier to read. And if you need to take this data outside of Whop for deeper analysis, there's one more useful tip. Click the Export button at the top of the table, and Whop will generate a CSV file based on your current, sorted, and filtered view. You can then open that file in Excel or Google Sheets for accounting, reporting, or advanced organization. So that's how to sort customers on Whop using filters, table settings, and export tools. Once you get used to it, managing your customer data becomes much faster and much easier. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.